Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake WEDOWEE, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a beautiful lake home that sits right at the water's edge that offers 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths with a master suite on the main level with a spacious master bath. The open floor plan offers a spacious kitchen with granite countertops and upgraded appliances. It is a well-designed home for full-time living or for that weekend lake retreat. There are 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom upstairs for your family and guests. The terrace level offers another bedroom, full bathroom and large kitchen. The family room is great for the kids. Enjoy the lake life from the screen deck and the wrap-around deck that offers great views of the lake. You are just a few steps to 126 feet of shoreline with a seawall in place. The stationary dock has a boat lift and a sun deck for your enjoyment. You are located in the large part of Pineywoods Creek, just off the Little Tallapoosa River. You are minutes from large open water that is ideal for lake fun.